Good morning students. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. Let's recall. What did we learn in the previous class? We had learned measurement of weight. The standard unit of weight is gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Today we are going to learn the measurement of capacity. Measurements are used in our daily life. Capacity is the amount a container can hold. Measurement of capacity means measures the quantity of liquid that an object holds. The units for measuring capacity are kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. Here, kiloliter is the biggest unit and milliliter is the smallest unit. The important units are liter and milliliter. Liter is used for measuring quantity of liquid. Milliliter is used for measuring small quantity of liquid. To change from bigger units to smaller units, multiply. To change from smaller units to bigger units, divide. To convert liter into milliliter, multiply by 1000. To convert milliliter into liter, divide by 1000. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Let us see some examples. Example 1. Convert 64.2 liter into milliliter. Let's convert 64.2 liter into milliliter. In this problem, liter is given. We are going to convert into milliliter. First write the units liter and milliliter. To change from liter to milliliter, multiply by 1000. Let's write 64.2 liter is equal to 64.2 into 1000. Write 64.2. To multiply a decimal by 1000, move the decimal point 3 places to the right. That is 64,200 milliliter. We get the answer as 64.2 liter is equal to 64,200 milliliter. Example 2. Convert 1005 milliliter into liter. Let's convert 1005 milliliter into liter. In this sum, milliliter is given. We are going to convert into liter. First write the units liter and milliliter. To change from milliliter to liter, divide by 1000. Let's write 1005 milliliter is equal to divide 1005 by 1000. To divide by 1000, move the decimal point 3 places to the left. That is 1.005 liter. We get the answer as 1005 milliliter is equal to 1.005 liter. Example 3. From a jug with 2 liter water, 1750 milliliter water was taken out. What quantity of water in milliliter was left in the jug? How much water is there in the jug? Yes, 2 liter of water in the jug. How much water was taken out? Yes, 1750 milliliter was taken out. In this sum, we have to find the quantity of milk left. For finding the quantity of milk left, we need to subtract the quantity of milk was taken out from the quantity of milk in the jug. Quantity of water in jug is equal to 2 liter. Quantity of water taken out is equal to 1750 milliliter. How do we convert 2 liter into milliliter? Yes, 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter. Multiply by 1000. Now we have to find the quantity of water left. Subtract the quantity of water taken out from the quantity of water in jug. That is, subtract 1750 milliliter from 2000 milliliter. Let's subtract the numbers. Subtract 0 from 0, we get 0. Subtract 5 from 0. We can't subtract a bigger number from the smaller number. Let's borrow from nearby place. 2 becomes 1, 0 becomes 9, 0 becomes 10. Subtract 5 from 10, we get 5. Then subtract 7 from 9, we get 2. Then subtract 1 from 1, we get 0. We get the answer as quantity of water left is equal to 250 milliliter. Students, hope you have understood the topic. Do the given assignment. Thank you, students.